Okay. Good afternoon mga boss, your Kuya Elmer here. So, it's 18th of July 2025. Oras na to, it's almost 2 in the afternoon. So, as we remember mga boss, last day natay gi-check nga unit. I mean, natay gi-assist nga client. It's a budget mill unit 2018 acquired Toyota Wigo G in a red color. So, nakita niyo sa last vlog na to, itong gi-assistan. All the way from right here in Mandawi. So, alright, after the assisting sa unit mga boss, ilang test drive, check nila hito to ang unit. So far so good, walay problema, ilarong gi-reserve dayon because that unit they will be using for a company service. So today padong nata for leasing. Actually atong buyer to nag-auna na, parang excited na gid ka ito siya. So hopefully magkakita pa mi dito para maka-document pag kita during the releasing. So let's go mga boss. So mga boss, pa left turn ta, doon na ta showroom. So hopefully napa si kuan diri buyer nagnapagit. Alright, so maka-document wag yun ta ani na absent pag nato sa buyer. Alright mga boss, okay na nata showroom. Kita ninyo, we have a lot of units to choose. Complete set of units. Right. Okay, that's the direct. All right.